Hello everybody, my name is Hunter's Roll Gaming. Welcome to After Last Train, a Japanese horror game made by Masa Chlitrious. God damn, what in the hell is that name about? Anyway, what's in the question mark now? I want to see. I don't know. I don't know why there's like 8 question marks. Alright, you know what? Let's get right into the game first. And we'll just see at the end. See if that unlocks something. That's the last train of the day. I need to make sure that there's no one left in the station and close the station. Let's check platforms 1 and 2, the restrooms, and the ticket gate area. And go back to the station office in the front of the restroom after the patrol is over. Whoa, what the hell? Oh god, here we go again. One of those cinematic versions of every horror game like Power Drill Massacre did. Okay, we can go up here. Alright. There's an escalator next to the stairs. How nice, alright. Okay. Move my mouse to a side end. Alright. Let's see here. Yeah, there's the restrooms now. Let me check. Because I'm going to the left. I want to know what's there. Here we are. Let's start with the men's room first. Okay, hello? Okay. I wonder what's behind the stall. Let me go check. It looks like occupied. Let's just wait outside until he's gone. Alright. At least... Oh! What the fuck? Oh! What the fuck is this? What is this? It's a pornography mag? No! No! Why would I take that pornography mag? Oh no! No! I would not! I would definitely not! Oh fuck! What in the hell? Alright, I'm gonna take it. I took a porn mag. Oh my god, no! You better not pick up those things! They're really nasty to you! Fuck. Alright. Okay, where do we go next? Ladies' room. Female bathroom was locked all day due to water leaking. I don't have to check here today. Alright. What about the platforms 1 and 2? Are they this way? Let me go check. Hello? Hello? Okay, I guess we're going this way. Oh my god, yeah. Like I tell you, there's no music at all. What's the point of this? Well, you can hold down the shift key to run. Okay. I'll save it just in case if there's a monster nearby. Alright, I want to see what it's all about there. There's actually a door. Whatever that is. Hello? Ah! Hello? Who's there? Who's there? God damn it, what the fuck was that? Okay, it's not letting me go that way. Unless if it tells me to go that way still. Not sure that's an invisible barrier. Yeah, I guess that's an invisible barrier. Okay, you know what? We'll run back. What the fuck? How did this happen? Recently, it often falls down around this time. I need to call the construction department. Where do you need to find the phone? Yeah, where the hell is the phone? Holy shit. Well, that never happened. Something just fell down. Okay. Let's see what's over here. Do I guess not. Okay, well, let's go back this way. Okay. I wanna see if I go this way still. Hello? No. Okay. Guess we're on back. Oh. Okay. Maybe I want to continue this way? Yeah, let's go back this way. Okay. What the hell? Oh, wait, back? No, wait. Please tell me. Okay. What's going on? Oh, wow. I like this view right now. Like in 2D style horror game. Oh, no. What the fuck? Why am I walking on midair in the tracks? That's weird. Okay. Well, that's... Okay, that's not going anywhere. Alright, let's run back. Alright. Here we go with this view again. Awesome. I'm gonna check to see if that's something. No. I'm gonna go the other way. Yeah, I'm not going up the stairs yet. I want to see if there's, like, another way to go through. A train? No, that's not a way. Yeah, that is not a way. Okay, now I need to actually call the phone. What the hell? Wait, I want to go this way. No, it's not letting me go that way. Okay. Well, I guess I have to go back upstairs. So, let's go on the escalator. Well, it's not letting me go on the escalator, so I guess I have to try the stairs instead. Where is it? Where is it letting me going? Oh, this doesn't make sense. Oh, here we are. What is this? Okay. Right. Oh, here we are. Who's this? What took you so long? Why don't you help me out a little? Well, I'm kind of busy with my own work. This guy is on closing duty with me today. He's what you call the unpopular one. Nobody likes him. He's never helped me with closing up. That's because he always piles up his work during the day, tries to finish it all during closing time. Otherwise, he's just slacking off somewhere. Anyway, wasting time on him won't get the work done. It's pointless to say anything. The station's empty. Let's start the closing procedures. This station has a history of frequent suicides and fatal accidents. It's said the station was built on land that was once cursed and had to be cleared. Because of that, for protection, Buddhist sutras are played over the speakers after the last train, once all the passengers have left. That's not gonna happen. What did you say? I just checked the security cameras. There's a briefcase on the bench at platform 1. Why don't you focus on doing your own job properly before telling me what to do? There shouldn't be anything at platform number 1. Just go pick it up. We usually play it around this time. Alright. Whatever you say, boss. Okay, let's go back this way. Where is the first 2 platforms? Okay, there should be a briefcase here somewhere. So aren't these, yeah, I think those are actually the platforms, I think. That's my guess. That's a different view. hell? I can't go back that way. Wonder what's going on. God damn. Okay, I don't think there's gonna be anything. Oh, there's something there. A briefcase. I picked up a phone. What's that gonna do? That's not a briefcase. It was a phone. How did I pick up the phone there? That was never there before. At least I got it, so ha ha ha. Okay, how do I... Okay, I guess I have to actually, go back from the way that this thing actually fell off, which kind of scared me there. Alright. Okay. Go back up. Alright. So that was a platform 2 there. But I want to go this way more to see if there's a briefcase. Yeah, I know there's gotta be a briefcase. I know at the platform 1 there should be a briefcase. Maybe let's check over here first. Is there a briefcase? That's what the boss told me to do. Guess not. No briefcase. Well, yeah, I've been going to same places before. What the hell's going on with my mouse? It's moving aside. Let me see if I interact with the other vending machine. This vending machine currently not available. Yeah, there's no briefcase either. I swear there's gotta be... Oh, there it is! I think I found it. Will you take the briefcase? Yes. I took a briefcase. Alright. Now I think it's best to go back to the boss. That's at the office. Let's not hope our boss is murdered by some strange unknown being. Wait a minute, am I... Tell me if I'm going back. Okay. Alright. What the hell? What the fuck is this? Huh? Okay. What the hell? Oh! The elevator was never there before? Where am I? What is this? Prison? Oh my fucking god. Okay, I have to go this way. Okay, I guess I have to keep running, I guess. I wonder if the monster... Okay, my stamina is unlimited, so you can run for as long as possible. Oh my god. What the hell, these bars? What are they doing here? Okay. We'll go around this way. Alright. This way we go. Oh, there's a door. What are we missing now? Alright. What's going on in here? Oh. Okay, we'll go this way this time. We need to figure out if this is a maze all along. What the actual fuck is that? You better not dick with me, whatever the hell that was. Holy fuck. That was not there before. This monster's gonna murder me. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, 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 go this way. This door. This door is locked. I need to find the key. What? You gotta be fucking kidding me! Alright, the other way we go. Alright. Let's see if I go this way more. Hello? Alright. Who the fuck's there? Where's the monster? Show yourself! Oh, okay. Hello? Oh, a door? Oh, okay. I made it. Okay, I made it, guys. Whatever the hell that was. Oh, there's something. Oh, yeah, I took a key. Brilliant. No, I need to go all the way back. Yeah, let's go. Ah! Run! 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 Oh! Oh! No! You can't be here! Ugh! Yes! Let me know if you like this demo on comment section. Please follow my account on X or Itch.io to stay updated. The full version will be released soon. The full version will feature more riddles, creature chases, and more detailed storyline. What is this all about? What is it? There's 8 question marks. What is going on? Is there like a different way? Like, well, I know the elevator was not there before after I just got the suitcase or a briefcase, you can call it. But I was about to get the other part where I give it to our boss, but I don't think that was the case. The walls changed. Instead of being the stairs or the escalator, it was now the elevator. Yes, the elevator. Alright guys, that was After Last Train. A very demo Japanese horror game. Anyway, if you all enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, stay 20% cooler, be ready for the real action, guys. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.